In this video, we are going to add another sample line to existing sample line group. Up to this point, we have created a sample line group. Now in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to add two more sample lines to this existing sample line group. I have opened my drawing called 18 add sample line to existing sample line group. So what I am going to do is I will create two small sample lines at the edges of these bridges. So you will know why I am doing this at the later stage of this video series. Before that, I will add two sample lines at these locations. To do that, I select a sample line, then I go to edit sample line, then it is asked to select a sample line in the command line. I select the sample line, so it will catch the sample line group. Then what I do is I pick this drop down and select at a station. So I have to select this station at the where this starts. That station is 96. From my corridor, I know that station is 96. So I type 96 here and press enter. Then what is the left socket? We call it as 20, and right socket we call it as 20 as well. Then again you go to this corner. Even though this socket is smaller, we don't have to worry because this is a bridge section. So this end is 111. So I type 111, and for the socket I type plus 20 and minus 20 for both sides. Then I press enter. So I have created two sample lines, and in addition to the sample lines I have created earlier. So both these sample lines are in the same group we have created earlier. It gives me a message, my corridor is out of date, I have to rebuild the corridor. So I have to go here and right click and rebuild the corridor. So after rebuilding, I can save this drawing as completed and move on to the other drawing.